Tell us your name and tell us about your project.
My name's Edwin Hubble. I have a doctorate from the University of Chicago, and I've mostly been observing stars and gas clouds, particularly the Andromeda Nebula. My paper, Cepheids in Spiral Nebula, has really taken the world by surprise.
What were you guys trying to do or find?
See, nebula, including the Andromeda Nebula, are really hard to see in normal telescopes. But with our telescope, I've been able to observe that the Andromeda Nebula is actually a galaxy, not a nebula, and that it's further away than we could imagine, at about 1,000,000 light years away.
And where did this experiment occur?
It took place at the Mount Wilson Observatory in California. We have the largest telescope in the world there, the Hooker telescopes, 60-inch and 100-inch Hooker reflections.
What other significant events were happening around the world at this time?
The Great War just happened not too long ago. That was devastating. And there was also the bombing of Wall Street, that terrorist attack. If the world knew how small it actually is, I think we could get over such petty things.
Was there anyone else involved in the project?
It was mostly me doing the observations and measurements, but I have to credit Henrietta Levet. Her study on Cepheid stars really kicked off my research. And I also should credit Harlow Sparley. The galaxy is much larger than we would have ever thought, 300,000 light years wide.
And what was your role in the project?
I did observations, measurements. It turns out that galaxies, when they're moving really fast away from us, their light shifts red, and that red shift I'm able to use that to measure how fast they're moving, and it turns out that the further away galaxies are, the faster they are moving away from us. And I coined this term the Hubble law.
And what impact did your experiment have on the physics community?
It greatly widened our understanding of the universe. We used to think it was just the Milky Way galaxy, but turns out there was many galaxies, and not only that, the universe itself is expanding.
Now, to end our interview, give us a little detail on some of your personal interests outside of astronomy and physics.
I love this question. You see, back in college, I used to play basketball, and I have a real passion for athletics. In high school, I played ran track, and won 7 first place medals doing that. Thank you.